Let me show you easy way to create neon glow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to File Manager. Drag any background image like this. Click on this icon and choose Exposure. Follow these settings. Add new layer to press plus icon. Choose Horizontal Type tool and follow these settings. Make it center align. Click FX icon and choose Drop Shadow. Click here and pick the color. Copy this hexa code. Follow these settings. Again click here and choose Outer Glow. Click here and paste the code you copied. Follow these settings. Again click here and now choose Inner Glow. Pick the same color to paste the same hexa code you copied. Follow these settings. Again choose Drop Shadow and change the color to black. Add new layer. Choose Rectangular tool. Follow these settings. Click and drag like this. Make the corner round like this. Drag this layer behind text layer. Right-click and choose Rasterize layer. Click here and choose Eraser tool. Choose hard round brush and follow these process. choose copy layer style. Now go to this layer and paste the layer style to right click here. Hope you